think you may heard of the winter season in Vancouver. It's always rainy, cloudy, muddy, soggy, and dark. The daytime is only 8 hours, so your nighttime would be 16 hours a day. There's only few things that you can enjoy because it's raining outside. Everything is expensive, especially eating outside. So I chose to use the night hours to train myself, which is going to the gym and gain some muscles. And it's been 3 months now. Okay, so it's been 3 months now, and I can see some progress so far. And keep up the good work in 2026, Jerry. It's still raining, but I'm glad I came to aquarium in Vancouver. It was quite expensive though. I had to spend $55 to enter the aquarium. It was a great way to entertain myself on a rainy day. An hour later, the rain stopped, so I could meet my housemate outside. That cost me another few dollars and pennies though. I tried Indian food called biryani for the first time. Food is a great way to experience different cultures, but you need your money to spend on that. This is the money I spent on that day, which is $83. I was trying to start the sport one, the this one. It was using and just start the mission first. It's raining as usual. This is my night routine after workout. By doing massage, you can release the soreness. You can recover your muscles really faster. I believe there's two pros by doing gym training. First one is you can save more money. When I was in Korea, I have to pay for like around $100 per month to sign up for the gym. But here, you only have to spend around like $25 a month, so which is very affordable, and you don't have to try to fill your hours of the night. Here in Vancouver, the night hours is around like 16 hours, so you will start to feel like entertaining yourself by going to the theater or eating outside or going to some tourist spots or shopping malls. But by doing the gym training, you will spend at least an hour or 2 hours a day. And after the gym training, you have to feed yourself, rest yourself. And this is how I eat after workout. Good protein, some salmon. So you have to train yourself, feed yourself, rest yourself. So there's no time to get bored, which is great. I don't have to spend another extra dollars to entertain myself. You need stimulation in your life, and you're gonna get one by interacting with the people from the gym. And they will motivate you to become more healthy. By doing the gym training, you will start to take better care of yourself. It's only been 3 months and I'm still a newcomer at the gym, and my goal is to gain at least 7 kilograms of muscles until 40. So 1 kilogram per year. And I want to maintain the muscles that I gained in my 30s for the rest of my life. And I hope I could motivate you guys with this video. I hope you guys have a good goals for the upcoming year, which is 2026. So take care and Happy New Year. Bye.